Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Quicksight account, IAM roles, and dataset readiness. Connect your data source now, choose S3, RDS, Redshift, or upload a CSV. Once connected, preview the dataset and set correct data types, date, numeric, string, so visuals behave. Make sure to apply basic transforms, remove duplicates, set primary keys, and flag nulls. This early work reduces errors downstream and speeds visualization. Now publish the dataset so you can begin authoring the analysis. You create a new analysis and add sheets for logical groupings. Drag fields into visuals, pick bar, line, table, or KPI based on the question. Once done, add calculated fields for ratios, percent changes, or custom buckets. This is where you translate business logic into measures. Make sure to apply filters and parameters for interactivity and configure aggregations and sorts to surface the right view. Use drill downs and groups to let users explore details without cluttering the main dashboard. You finalize layout by arranging visuals, adding titles, and applying a theme for consistency. Once done, set sheet filters by role and configure refresh schedules for direct query or spice import, then publish and share with users. If something breaks, start troubleshooting. Confirm IAM permissions and dataset access, review data refresh logs, and validate calculated fields. Make sure visuals reference the right dataset and aggregation. Often a mistyped field or stale spice dataset causes incorrect numbers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.